warm welcome to BodyProCoach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and today I'm going to be doing a 3-minute burger for you. Yes, you heard it right, a 3-minute protein loaded burger for you. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. First in a bowl we take spinach and bell peppers. To that I'm going to add and 1 egg white. Now I'm going to beat this well. There we go. And our egg veggie muffin is getting ready. Depending on what stage of ketosis you are, if you want, you can also add a cheese slice to it. In a pan, first I'm gonna add very little of butter. To this I'm going to add my egg now. I'm going to add some and once it's well done, now we can egg burger is ready. So I have a almond flour bread which I already made it, and to that I'm going to add So our 3-minute protein burger is ready. It's loaded with protein, it has essential fats, it's also extremely low in carbohydrates, plus it's loaded with fiber. That means it's going to provide you satiety and you're not going to feel hungry for a longer time. That means you intake fewer calories, which eventually results in weight loss. Thank you so much for watching our video. Request you to please subscribe our button, hit that bell button so that you get intimation of all our videos. We do videos on HIIT, that's train to look good, core pilates, nutrition, and a lot of information for all you regarding to fitness on one platform, that's BodyProCoach. Thank you so much. I'm going to see you next time.